If you're a black girl, you have no business going to watch hair tips from a mixed race. Please sis, relax your hair, okay? Hi guys, thank you so much for coming back. If you are new here, my name is Gifty and I make natural hair care and lifestyle videos. So if that's something you're interested in, then please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any video from me. If you're seeing me for the second time in this video, then please, I think that is your sign to subscribe. Don't you agree? So please kindly hit the subscribe button now and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any more videos from me. So in today's video, I'm going to be reacting to a video I saw on YouTube. The title is Learning to Love My 4C Hair Again. So without talking too much, let's get right into the video.
I love my hair, but why couldn't it be a little looser, less kinky, more curly? Must you always defy gravity? Those are thoughts I'd have every time I did my hair. I clearly didn't love it as much as I thought I did. With type 4 hair leading the big chop movement, yet its top creators not sharing my texture, led to me trying tons of products and styles that just did not work for me. After being fed up with long wash days, I started binge watching girls with my hair type relax or texturize their hair. I wanted to still get away with disassociating myself with relaxers while maintaining my place in the natural hair community, so I settled for a texturizer. Maybe then my hair would stop defying gravity and shrink to my ears, and maybe, just maybe then, I could finally experience a messy bun. Video after video of girls losing their hair or experiencing thinning, I still went through with it. I don't know why I thought I'd be any different. I instantly regretted it. My hair pattern didn't change at all, it just stretched. It was weak and had a hard time maintaining moisture. Here I was again with my second big chop. Last year I visited my dean from my old university, and as we talked about our hair, I began complaining about the high maintenance it took to take care of it on my wash days. Before I could even finish, she stopped me and said, "Kelsia, your hair can feel that you hate it. Stop with this dreadful tone and attitude when doing your hair. Your hair is a living part of you. Talk about your hair as you would your daughter's, strong, bouncy, beautiful." Even though I was natural for 7 years, I still spoke so negatively about my hair and realized that I was over manipulating it in different styles to avoid its natural state, which is shrunken, kinky, and coily. Her words permeated through my heart. Why was I so mean to the crown God gave me on my head? Why was I forcing styles that replicated looser textures because I didn't like my own? Why did I refuse to let my hair stay in a shrunken style? Those are all questions I had to sit with and be honest with myself about. I had gone natural before being natural was even a trend. I thought being free from relaxers that I had, made it, as far as being a black girl and not brainwashed enough to believe that straight hair was the standard. But in fact, I had just scratched the surface, because in my head, loose textures were still better than 4C. Understanding that my behaviors and attitudes towards my hair was rooted in white supremacy began my quest to learning how to love my 4C hair. I made it a point to support and learn from content creators only with my hair type. Every now and then, when I'm annoyed with my hair, I'd wear it completely shrunken as my style for the week, so I can get used to looking at myself and letting it grow on me. And lastly, I do what my dean taught me: be kind to my hair and keep a simple routine, nourish it as I would other parts of myself.
Okay, so that was a lot to take in, but she really made a lot of good points. Yeah, so I'm going to tell you my take on this video. So the first thing I want to say is, I think also for I really don't know, I didn't used to understand where the hate for natural hair actually came from. Like, you know, a lot of black people in America, UK, Canada, you know, most of them talk about how they used to hate their hair and they actually had to learn to love their own hair. I didn't used to get that. I didn't used to get where that thing came from, but I just understood that it's because of their environment. You see that where they are, that they are surrounded with a lot of white people, and because of that, there's that comparison thing that, oh, your hair is not as beautiful as this white girl's hair or as this mixed race girl's hair. Yeah, so I think the environment also played a part, because for me, I grew up in Ghana. I grew up around black people. We even used to cut our hair. Like, we used to cut our hair in primary school. So yeah, I really now understand where the hatred for, yeah, I really now get it. And that is just really bad and sad, because like, we all have different hair types, and no hair type is nicer than any other. No hair type is nicer than the other. We just need to get that into our hair. And I don't know, I really, this is not like a point or it's not an advice, like, it's just me empathizing, because it's like, now I get why like most black people in America really felt that way, because I think there was also a period where like most of their hairstyles were considered unprofessional, you know. So having to grow up with all these things surrounding you, that is really what caused that. So now I really get it. A few points that she made from the video that I want to talk about. The number one is top creators not sharing her hair texture. You know, like, we all watch YouTube, or we see influencers on YouTube advertising on Instagram, advertising some products, you know, from our hair types point of view. But then these people don't actually have your hair type, you know. So seeing influencers who are supposed to have your hair type not have your hair type, you know, looking up to them and doing what works for them, and seeing it not work for you will actually cause you to hate your hair, because you'll be feeling like, why am I following all the steps and it's still not working? It's just going to leave you frustrated. So I really get that point. So it's really good to follow who actually has your hair type. If you're a black girl, you have no business going to watch hair tips from a mixed race, girl. Like, if you are a black girl with two black parents, you have no business going to watch hair tutorials from a black girl with one white parent and then one black parent, you see. So it's really good to follow who has your hair type. And I don't think you will find somebody who completely has your hair type, who has the same hair type as you, because so many factors come into play. We have the hair texture, we have hair porosity, we have the 4B whatever typing. So you really will not find the same hair type as yours, but you find someone whose hair qualities are very close to yours. But I don't think you find someone who has exactly the same thing as yours. Another point I want to talk about is long wash days. Please don't listen to those people who tell you that taking care of natural hair is easy. Taking care of natural hair is not easy. It's not easy unless you just do things, you know. But if you decide to actually take your time and take care of your hair, it's going to cost you time and it's going to cost you money, because you're going to buy products. Yeah, long wash days, oh my god. Like, my wash day routine doesn't take less than, like, when I decide to be intense wash day, it doesn't take less than 2 hours. On days that I try to do everything quick, like 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes, that is when I'm trying to do everything quick. So yeah, let's just put that in our heads that it takes time, and if you can't do it by yourself, just go to a salon for them to help you. You don't gain anything by trying to do everything yourself at home and all. Like me, I wash my hair at home, but I know it's really tiring, and if I had a chance, I would go to a salon, a natural hair salon, for them to do my hair for me. But I don't have that luxury here. So if you really have that luxury, then you should take advantage of it, or just make your hair, your wash day enjoyable. You know, schedule your wash day on days that you are free, you know, that you don't have anything to do, so that you can really take your time and take care of your hair. You know, enjoy the process. While detangling your hair, try and set up like a movie somewhere and watch it. Take your time and detangle your hair, and then go and wash it. Put your deep conditioner in your hair, cover your hair with a cap, steam your hair. Like, take care of your hair, okay? Accept that wash days take long, and then take your time to do it, okay? Don't be in a rush. Take care of your hair, okay? Like, I had the best wash day this weekend, and I really enjoyed it because I really took my time, and I hadn't done that in a really long time because I've just been so busy with other things that, like, I was just not giving my hair the time. I don't know, I was just not doing it, and I did that last Friday, and it was really nice. Yeah, so really take time, okay? Take all the time you need. Don't see the long wash day as, oh my god, I have to wash my hair, but try to put in steps that will help you to enjoy the process, okay? I also want to comment about the use of relaxers. Really, relaxers, I don't know, but me, I used to relax my hair, and then I transitioned to natural hair. That's because I used to relax my hair when I was in Ghana. The weather was good. I used to go to salons for them to do it for me. Then I moved to Ukraine. There's no hairstylist. There are hairstylists here, but they cannot perm my hair for me, you know. So I used to do it by myself, and I didn't used to do it well. So every time I perm my hair, some parts will perm, some parts will not perm. So I just decided to transition to natural hair. So that's my story to natural hair journey. Yeah, I personally don't have any problem with relaxers. I feel like you can have relaxed hair and then take care of it very well. Like, I know people who have relaxed hair and their hair is so healthy. They take care of it very well, okay? So if you are choosing not to use relaxers for medical reasons, that is fine. But if you are not choosing to use relaxers because it's like we are all supposed to hate relaxers, then please just relax your hair, okay? Relax your hair. Don't listen to people who are making it seem like if you relax your hair, it means you hate natural hair, you don't like kinky, whatever. Please, if you feel like taking care of your natural hair is too hard for you, just feel free to relax it, okay? Feel free to relax it. That is my opinion, because I feel like now that there's something like the natural hair movement, people are feeling forced to also go natural, you know, not because they actually want to, but because it's like, it looks nice. Yeah, it looks nice, but also it involves a lot of work, okay? If you don't want to if you don't want to be crying in the middle of styling your hair, then choose the easy way and relax your hair. But if you want to accept that crying while doing your hair is part of the journey, then welcome to the natural hair community, okay? Because taking care of natural hair, it's not easy, okay? So yeah, that is my view about relaxers. I don't think relaxing your hair is bad. I also want to talk about protective styling. Please put your hair in protective style for some time, okay? 4 weeks. Take a 4-week break from your hair by braiding your hair, wearing wigs and all those things. Put your hair in protective style. It's not always that you have to wash your hair every weekend because your hair is out. Make use of protective styling, okay? Make use of protective styling. It really helps. Don't look too much. Don't look at the natural hair influencers too much, because that is their job and they make money by styling their hair every day. And you know, most of them that is their job though, so they don't do a lot of things. They don't have other things going on that takes their time, so they tend to have a lot of time for their hair. So you who is a student, maybe you're also working part-time, you have other things going on, you have to study, you have other things going on, you want to spend how long on your hair, like, it doesn't make sense. Please feel free to put your hair in protective style, okay? I feel like they even help your hair grow more. Like, you put your hair, for me now, my hair is in braids. I'm going to be oiling my scalp as it's in braids now, and it's going to help my hair to grow because I'll not be manipulating it, so yeah. Went to the comment section. There was a comment about how black men making black girls with like kinky hair look like their hair is not nice and all. Like, black men, please, why are you doing that? Okay, why are you doing that? Don't do that. It's not nice. If you don't want somebody with black kinky hair, go for somebody with hair that you like. don't now come and stress somebody's daughter just because you don't like her hair. That is really not acceptable. I don't like that thing that like boys tend to, or guys tend to compare. Okay, so as I was saying, yeah, it's not nice when guys do that. Really, if you don't like a lady with natural hair because you think natural hair is not nice, just keep that opinion to yourself and go for a lady who doesn't have natural hair. Okay, yeah, that is really what you can do, because your words really tend to hurt. So yeah, please don't do that. Okay, all right. And then also, I feel like comparison is one thing that is really killing the natural hair community, because we all feel like we've all set some standard that we feel like our hair is supposed to look like, and if it doesn't match that standard, we then feel like our hair is not nice. Please, your hair is nice. Okay, your hair is nice the way it is. If you have kinky hair with loose curls, it's nice. If you have kinky hair with tighter curls and coils, it's nice. Just take your time and take care of your hair. Okay, don't feel bad to put your hair in protective styles. Nobody won an award for being able to wear their natural hair that is so difficult to take care of out all the time. Okay, nobody won an award for that. So don't feel bad to put your hair in protective style. Okay, yeah. And also don't compare your hair to anybody else's. Don't feel like your edges have to be laid very well to mean that you are natural hair queen. Okay, really, like, follow who has your hair type or whose hair type is so close to yours. I have a few faves. I'm going to leave their Instagram account and their pictures in the screen, so if you like their hair type, you can follow them for natural hair tips and all, or you can follow me for natural hair tips too, because I have a lot of natural hair care videos on my channel that I'm going to put a playlist up here, so you can check that out too. Okay. To end the video, I just want to end the video by saying love your hair. Okay, love your hair, because it is that crown that you never take off. Love your hair. If your hair is thin and your hair looks small on your head, love it. If your hair is thick and it looks so big like a lion's hair, love it. Okay, love your hair. Okay, love your hair, because it is that crown that you never take off. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a like and please subscribe. Okay, subscribe if you haven't done that already. Subscribe to see more videos from me. Okay, thank you.